In this session, we will learn about parts of overlock machine. At the end of this session, you will be able to know the overlock machine, list the types of overlock stitches and identify the major parts of overlock machine.
Overlock machine is a special purpose machine used for finishing edges and sometimes for seaming. It falls under the class 500, which means stitches are formed with one or more groups of threads and have a general characteristics that loops from at least one group of threads pass around the edge of the material. Overlock sewing machines usually run at high speeds from 1000 to 9100 rpm and mostly are used in industry for edging, hemming and seaming a variety of fabrics and products. Overlock stitches are also used for decoration, reinforcement or construction. Overlock machines are generally made in 1, 2, 3, 4 or 5 thread formations. Each formation has unique uses and benefits. One thread overlock, end-to-end seaming or butt seaming of piece goods for textile finishing. Two thread overlock, stitch type 503. Machine has one needle and one looper. Used for edging and seaming, especially on knits and woven, finishing seam edges, stitching flat log seams, stitching elastic and laces to lingerie and hemming. Stitches can be adjusted to suit a rolled hem. 3-thread overlock, stitch type 504. Machine has one needle and two loopers. Used for finishing edges or decorative edging and seaming knit or woven fabric. This is a most common over edging having excellent stretch and recovery. Here stitches look the same on both the sides. 4-thread overlock. Machine has two needles and two loopers. It will stitch a chain stitch or a safety stitch. Decorative edging and finishing, seaming high stress areas, mock safety stitches which create extra strength while retaining flexibility. Suitable for both knits and woven. Machine can be converted to 2-thread or 3-thread overlock. 5-thread overlock. Machine has two needles and 3 loopers. It is 2-thread chain stitch combined with a 3-thread overlock. The left needle and lower looper form a 2-thread chain stitch. For every unit length of stitch, it requires 20 times of thread length. Securing the raw edges of a seam allowance with overlock machine is a very fast way of finishing. Overlock machine can also be used to sew two pieces of fabric together. For example, knit garments. It cuts the edges and secures them in one operation. Overlock machines come in different models, but all are basically similar. The machine shown here is a 3-thread overlock machine working with two knives, a moving upper knife and a fixed lower knife. They cut off frayed fabric edges to give a neat finish. The major parts are needle bar, oil window glass, hand wheel rotates in clockwise direction, side plate, tension disc, cloth plate, feed ratio, presser foot, feed dog, thread cutter, needle and lower and upper knife. Lower and upper knife are fixed in the opposite direction with the sharper edges meeting each other so that the fabric will get cut with each movement. Sharp edges of the knives overlap around 0.5 to 1 mm depth. The overlock machine has two feed dogs, the main feed dog and the differential feed dog. The levels of these two should be equal with one another and the height can be adjusted independently by the respective bolts. The height of the feed dog must be adjusted according to the thickness of the material. 1 mm for thin materials, 1.3 mm for medium thick materials, and 1.5 mm for thick material raised above the top of the needle plate. Feed ratio nut regulator increases and decreases the teeth of the feed dog to get shearing and stretching stitches. Now let us perform a task using the overlock machine, scissors, screwdriver, trimmer, thread and fabric. The task is to identify the major parts of overlock machine. Oil window glass. It is used to indicate the oil level in the oil tank. Balance wheel. On the balance wheel, the stitch length specification is given. Side plate. After threading the looper and during stitching, ensure the plate to be closed completely. Tension disc. For 5-thread overlock, 2 needle thread tension disc and 2 looper tension is given. Presser foot pressure knob. Based on the fabric, the tension will be adjusted by using pressure foot knob. Presser foot. Compensating pressure is given to hold the fabric and avoiding ply shift. Feed dog. Differential feed dog is placed. Knife. Adjacent the needle, the blade is placed to cut the raw edges, then start the sewing process.
We have reached the end of this session on parts of overlock machine. By now, you should be able to know the overlock machine, list the types of overlock stitches and identify the major parts of overlock machine.